So today we are going to see the mastery for when to use each kind of repetition. So here I already have a code that contains um, recursion, a while, and a for. So as you can see, each one does something completely different, and here's the difference. So first we have the for. The for is used for we already know the number of times we're going to repeat the program So in this case, the function that I've defined will repeat the hello prompt n number of times. Here we have the one with while, and here I am using it as one that will break with a condition. So this is more useful when you don't know how many times you're going to repeat a program, but rather you have a condition for when to repeat a program. And then we have the recursion, which is pretty similar to the while, because we're repeating a process until we are finished with it, rather than having a number predetermined number of times that we're going to repeat it. But here the biggest difference is that although you have more control on all kinds of variables during your recursion, it is easier to use the while. So if your program is going to be simple, maybe you're going to want to use the recursion, but as it gets more complex, you want to use the while, because you don't want such a complex program with a recursion. Also, while is a little bit more useful if the prompt that's going to break the repetition is between repetitions rather than uh, data that you have before repeating everything. So for example, when I run it, I already have the first function running. So it's gonna ask me to insert the size of a triangle. So I get 3, and so it repeats this process of doing a triangle. But if I go like hi, like this, it's gonna ask hi. And if I write hi, it's gonna ask it again, again, and again, until I say something different, for example, and it's gonna break. And the last one, we have hello, and we have number 3. And doing so, we'll have hello 3 times.